Hello, beautiful people. If nobody has told you that you are beautiful today, you are uniquely beautiful today. You're uniquely beautiful every day because nobody is as uniquely made as you. And you know what? You just actually may have the story of your life, and the things that have only happened to you may be exactly what needs to be shared with somebody else. So share that with somebody. My name is Kristen. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for returning if you are a subscriber and follow along on my journeys. Today we have Stitch Fix, which I know a lot of people like to see what we get. I kind of did a little shopping earlier in the week at Target. I can link that in my description below if you're interested in clothing. So today's Stitch Fix, I am hoping for something really awesome, and at the same time, if there's not, I'm okay because I kind of spent my money. So I have Alex as my stylist. I asked her, I think just maybe for some shorts, which I did get at Target, and for maybe a workout or other just casual clothes. I just kind of left it up to her. You get your return envelope. You pay a $20 styling fee, although I have the styling pass. You get your paperwork, and I always just like to peek and see if I got the same stylist because that's important to me. Yes. So let's see. It does look like there's some denim, which is awesome. I'll try it. I did find some at Target, but I can always take the Target ones back too if these are better. So there is that plan, right? So let us dig in, see what we got. Woo-hoo. Pretty colors. So on top, and I didn't peek, y'all. This got sent, my shipping notice got sent. This is Thursday afternoon. Friday morning, it said it shipped, and you can peek. And so I don't. But last Friday until today, Thursday afternoon, I had to not peek. That's a long time to not peek. So here's the surprise. It is by 41 Hawthorn. It's a little tank. It's kind of a silky, beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love this. It's got adjustable straps there. This is gorgeous. I may be in trouble. I may be cutting my grocery budget or something else. All right, let's see. Oh, this is Gaiam, which is a workout brand that is awesome, particularly in yoga. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, these are cute. It's got the pocket there if you want to put your key if you're out running around. It looks maybe almost full length. I'm short, so maybe it's supposed to be cropped, but I love these. They're probably expensive, but it's very good quality. So love that. Next, we've got some more blue and navy. My son's graduating from high school, and his colors are blue and navy. And this is Market and Spruce. It's got the crisscross design there. I do have a lot of things with crisscross design, and it's got some detailing at the bottom. It's a romper. I've never even tried a romper on. I thought it was a dress, but it's a romper. Huh. Well, I will try my first romper. That's exciting. All right. Cool beans. These are pretty colors. Look at these colors. All right, what's this? Is another romper? Oh gosh. I have so much fun with these. Okay, this is by, who is this baby by? Trina? Oh, it's Trina Turk. Oh, this is probably expensive. I love Trina Turk. No wonder I love the colors and the pattern. This is gonna be pricey, and I'm gonna fall in love with it. Well, if I get this, it will probably be the only thing I keep. But I love it. It looks like it has a tie in the back, and halter style dress with the perfect. This is very me. Trina Turk is completely my style. I adore her, and the only reason I probably don't have an entire wardrobe is because she's higher end, but the materials and the double stitching and all that is is premier upper class stuff. And then the shorts are just black. I think I have a pair of just black pants, so these should fit as well. They got cute cuffs, a little distressing there and there. So these will probably fit. It doesn't matter of price. Okay, I love this dress. Trina Turk. It's the, what's the name of this one? Juju knit halter dress. And it is a polyester blend with some spandex. I'll get close to see the print. It fits nice. It's got this cute tie back in the back. It's $128, which I think that's a pretty fair price. Let me get up so you can see the length. I think it's a pretty good length on me. What do y'all think about the style? It doesn't have a huge defined waist, but I don't think it's overly big, and I love the colors. So I think I'm loving this. This is the Market and Spruce Joanie knit romper. So my first romper. I love the colors in this. It's very similar to the dress I got the last pics. I went ahead and pulled that out of my closet. This one I'm going to wear to my son's graduation open house. This one also kind of works for that. These pockets kind of add some extra bulk, which I don't think I hate, but you can see the length on it there. I don't know, I like it, I just don't know that I love it. I have a whole lot of things with this crisscross already, so I'm not sure I need something else. This just feels similar, I guess, to the other things that I have. And to be perfectly honest on the romper deal, it is a bathroom kind of issue. I know for the perfect romper, I'd probably get over it, but this one's got a teeny button in the back. I don't know if you can see, but there's like this teeny button, and it's not the easiest to get on and off by yourself. So I don't know. Tell me what you think. Is it worthy? Okay, these are the Gaiam Om Capri pants, which is funny because keep in mind it says Capri when I show you the length on these, but they feel great. They pretty high-waisted, great material. The side striping is actually a pocket deep. You could actually carry your phone. These feel like fantastic for yoga. Look at the length. This is the Capri. I always think of Capri like a beer, but I actually appreciate this full length. Not totally sold on the stripes. I'm not usually a stripe kind of girl, but they're super cute. The 41 Hawthorn kaela cami blouse. Gorgeous colors. This is totally my print. I know this print wouldn't be everybody, but I love this print. It is lined. This is part of it. So it's pretty dressy. You could wear it with a skirt or dress pants, or you could just wear it casual with some jeans. I paired it with the just black denim jeans. They are 58. The top's 48. So the shorts fit great, and they're a good length. I like the amount of distressing. I like the pockets. Alex, I asked for these. You did a good job, girl. I went out and bought some others, so it's not that I need these anymore, but I like them. So if I kept the whole box, I'd use them and wear them. So let's have a little chat. Okay, so chatting. The total box with my discount for buying everything would be $262, which if I hadn't just spent other money on clothing, I could probably handle that, but I probably need to make some choices. So let me know what you think. The pants, I'm not sure I said these are $52, which is a little pricey, but not for Gaiam. It's a really good brand. It'll hold up really well. I do go to the gym 3 times a week and run a couple times and do yoga, so these would get use. The Trina Turk is gorgeous. Let me know if you think it was gorgeous on me though, because not every gorgeous thing is perfect for each person. So this definitely is my colors and style. The romper, I don't think I'm a romper person, but I totally enjoy trying this. I'm pretty sure if I had had the budget and kept the whole box, I would keep this in my life, but as it is, this will be going back. But thank you, Alex, for letting me try it. That was fun. And the top, 41 Hawthorn, love it. Leaning towards keeping that because that's the kind of thing I might be sad if I sent it back. What do you think I'd be sad if I sent back? Or what would you be sad if you sent back? The shorts are awesome. They're perfectly awesome shorts. I just bought some other ones. So if I only kept one thing, that probably wouldn't be the priority. Or maybe you get so much use out of denim shorts, that's what I should keep. So let me know in the comments, what do you think I should keep? And thank you for coming and visiting. If you like this, like and subscribe. I will see y'all again soon. Thanks.